As a finance management expert, I often see businesses grappling with the complexities of tracking expenses, managing budgets, and overseeing financial projects. While specialized accounting software is crucial, a robust project management tool like ClickUp can be an invaluable asset in optimizing your financial operations. It's not just for marketing campaigns or software development. ClickUp, when leveraged strategically, can be a finance manager's best friend. So, how can you truly get the most out of ClickUp for your financial management needs? It's about more than just listing tasks. It's about structuring your workspace to reflect your financial processes, leveraging key features, and automating where possible. Let's dive into practical strategies. 1. Structure your workspace for financial clarity. The first step to maximizing ClickUp for finance is to organize your workspace intelligently. Think about how your financial operations are structured. Spaces for departments/major functions. Create distinct spaces for core financial functions. For instance, accounts payable for managing vendor invoices, payments. Accounts receivable for tracking incoming payments, invoicing clients. Budgeting and forecasting for annual budgets, quarterly forecasts. Financial reporting for preparing monthly, quarterly, annual reports. Payroll, if managed internally. Treasury management for cash flow, investments. Folders for sub-functions or projects. Within each space, use folders to categorize further. In accounts payable, you might have folders for vendor onboarding, invoice processing, payment runs. In budgeting and forecasting, folders could be 2025 annual budget, Q1 2025 forecast. Lists for specific cycles/entities. Use lists to organize tasks for specific periods or entities. In invoice processing, lists could be May 2025 invoices, June 2025 invoices. In financial reporting, lists might be monthly close checklist, quarterly variance analysis. This structured approach ensures that every financial activity has its dedicated place, making it easy to navigate, track, and report on. 2. Leverage custom fields for financial data. ClickUp's custom fields are a game changer for finance. They allow you to add specific financial data points to your tasks. Currency fields track invoice amounts, budget allocations, or payment values directly within tasks. Date fields for due dates, payment dates, invoice dates, or reporting deadlines. Drop-down fields categorize expenses, e.g., operational, marketing, salaries, payment statuses, pending approval, paid, disputed, or budget line items. Number fields for quantities, percentages, or other numerical data. Text fields for detailed notes, invoice numbers, or vendor details. By using these custom fields, your tasks become rich data points, allowing you to filter, sort, and analyze financial information right within ClickUp. 3. Optimize workflows with statuses and automations. Financial processes are inherently workflow-driven. This is where ClickUp statuses and automations shine. Custom statuses. Design statuses that mirror your exact financial process stages. For accounts payable, invoice received, awaiting approval, approved, scheduled for payment, paid, archived. For budgeting, drafting, reviewing, approved, monitoring. Automations. This is where you save significant time and reduce errors. Auto-assign. When an invoice task status changes to awaiting approval, automatically assign it to the finance manager. Notifications. When a payment is paid, notify the relevant department head. Date adjustments. When a